In this video, guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to design the airplane, paper airplane. Let's go. First up, you need to make the cockpit glass. Example like this. Now you see. Now you just open this coloring marker or Posca markers like this. Just wait a few seconds because I'm just gonna design it. Just made a little bit. If it's broken, then you're wrong. Just make another paper plane. Make sure the glass doesn't make it too big. That will be okay now. Now you're gonna do it on the other side. Later I'm gonna show you how to create the door. I'm gonna teach you how to create the door in the paper airplane. I'm not using Posca markers. Now already. I'm gonna teach you how to make the doors, and this tail needs to design like this. Example for a real airplane like this. Plane for example like Northern Pacific Airways. Like that. That's the tail. See? That's the tail. Now you need just the design or the engine as well. Or if you don't have any engine, or it's a cardboard airplane, never mind, don't mind it. Never mind, you can just do it. Not the paper airplane, okay? Just look at this. It's just cool. Now I'm gonna teach you how to make a door and some windows. First, you need to. This side is supposed to be like this. So the tail is just like this side. Or this instead, maybe. Now make a door. Wait a minute because I'm making a door too. If you want to make emergency doors, then just like similar. Or if you don't want, and you don't know yet, you find out. Make sure the sides were still the same, just like the previous side of the plane. Like anything else, you need to check all the stains every day. There's a lot of stains, then you might not be able to use the plane anymore. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and fix this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There, you got to make the other side of this. Let me just remove stuff away, and then I just got to close the screen for a minute, so you won't able to see the side. This okay now. Let's make the big door. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we need the door again. Emergency doors. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Done. Now you can see now. Just look. That's how I make. Now, I'm going to teach you how to make a name. You can name any airline or your airway or air anything else. Example like this. Philippines. See? Just easy. You can write your own name in there. Example of where I'm going to put this airline's name. If your plane types like this from Kids Planers, plane how to make a paper plane, you could use this. Or you could make a cord like this. This is the hardest making plane ever seen in my entire life. Actually, I made this yesterday evening. I'm sorry about that, guys. My mom and my dad. So you just wait. How can I make a name? Now we have to close this video. I'm just gonna put my name in there. I'm just gonna put somebody airline name. You can't add a flag because it's maybe you will spoil the plane's back front. So you got to do this again at the other side. Sorry guys, my eyes is just like this. You can see now? Now if it doesn't have a colored tail, then you will get messed up. Now look at this. Back front. If you want to make a tail, then you have to copy this. For example, this Concorde that I made was custom. So it says Philippines because Philippine Airlines doesn't have any Concorde. So this Concorde can be useful. And that it's too hard to draw, but it's okay. So I'm spinning it right now. There's nothing on the back, but don't worry. It's just stains of the color. Now we gotta put this back. I'm gonna teach you how to make a tail color, okay? Now you need to measure the size. Make sure it doesn't appear the door. Make sure it doesn't make the door messy because maybe the door won't no longer be a normal door. Maybe it's gonna be something else. Now, I said earlier, you need to just color these sides like blue. But later, you need to make the RP any number you want. You can make. But you can't make the flaps. But always you can make a flap back under the plane. Let's continue the video without talking. Because I don't have any sped ups. So the sped up cannot be allowed. So I can't sped in this video. Because I can't allow that. But soon, Samsung will do that. Samsung will fix the video. Make it more sped up with sounds. There you go. Now I'm gonna update the logos. Now you get to do the lines. Again. Now we gotta do the same in the other side. After that, we're gonna make the RP, or you can put any number you want. Okay, but first we need to finish this. Okay, it's just It's gonna be 10 or 11 minutes while I finish this video. If I finish this video, now you have to learn. If you make the logo wrong, you have to make another plane. If your cockpit is messed up. It's just an ASMR sound. Don't mind it. Because I like the ASMR sounds. Kids Planer's the best. Absolutely, Kids Planer's the best. Plus, I'm a 10-year-old. Maybe Kids Planer can help me, because I'm gonna be teaching teens how to make air. I'm gonna teach all of you. I'm gonna copy Kids Planer how to make an airplane. I know how to draw an airplane, but I'm not the draw airplane. I could design the airplane more beautiful. Make sure like and subscribe. If I finish before I give somebody your cookies away. Okay. Also like. Now let's quit talking. You see now? Look. I made their own logo. Details is good. Look. Now we need to make an RP for that number. Or we have to make a number. Example like this thing. It says RP 137. At least you cannot copy some numbers. Because that's the law. You cannot copy numbers. Like this. Concord is the best. Now I'll make a RP. And I'll teach you how to make an RP and a number. Okay? Now I'm just gonna make one because maybe I don't have any standard. So I have to draw it while you close your eyes. RP. Let's think a number. Let's think a number. What's my favorite number? 28. Now I have to do the other side again. Sure, it's the same, just like the airline's name. See now? Look. It's RP 282. Similar like that. Now I'm going to teach the last one. I'm going to teach you how to make the back flaps. Or example like this. If you have a Concorde, you just make it in the front like this. Like this, you need to make them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. But now I'm gonna make 4 or 5, I guess. Yes, make 4 or 5, I guess. Just wait a minute. Done. Now the next side. Just wait for me until I finish. See now? Now look. I made the flaps, but it's back. So that's how you design a plane. Even I make the Concorde. This Concorde is cool, but it has a little stains. Make sure you have to check your plane every day, paper airplane every day. Make sure it doesn't stain up or it broke. Make sure there's no anything that ripped off. Maybe your plane will never ever be fixed. Or if you want to use tape, then you just do not use glue because the wings will never ever fly. Yeah. And that's how I teach you how to design an airplane. Okay, bye bye guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to Kids Planers and also Marky 66066 known as me. Okay, bye bye.